the level that you're recording them at, obviously we know that they're pretty close to infinity when they get to the final mix. What roughly are you kind of aiming for?
That's a difficult question because I'm not a meter person as much as I am a listening person. I typically monitor at about 83 dB, which is roughly about, I guess, a normal listening level when you watch TV, I suppose, or a movie on TV. So it's not quiet and it's not booming loud. It's just kind of that what you'd like to watch a movie at home, I think, would be the best way to describe it. So I mix their stuff slightly below how loud I want to hear dialogue. So I'm listening more than watching a meter, and because there's no point in me mixing it really loud because I know it's going to be really quiet. So I give it, like, I would say the best answer would be 70-80% full.
Yeah.
Where my main dialogue would be full up, I put this stuff about 70% of that, if that makes sense. So it's a good medium level. The murmury stuff that I described earlier, where they're all way off the mic looking at the walls, that stuff can typically be pretty quiet because even turning my microphone up is almost as loud as I can turn it up, they're still way off the mic. So it's almost going to play the way I'm recording it for the mixer. He's probably going to just pull that back a little bit and he'll be fine with it. But that's about where that goes.